Welcome back, my financial freedom fighters. It's your favorite family member, Money Mail Jr. Welcome back, family. I appreciate you all being here. And what we're gonna talk about today is drip, the big dripper, the dividend reinvestment plan. So last time I talked to you all about this, wow, it was probably about 2 years ago, maybe not a year. I think it was year at the end of 2020. And I had a different plan than what I'm doing now. It's not as crazy different, but it's a little different because, you know, a lot of things have happened in the last 2 years, and I'm pretty sure you all are aware of those things, and which caused for a lot of people financial situations to be shooken up a little bit. And also mine was shooken up. So I'm starting from zero, starting from scratch. Man, it just tweaked my plan just a little bit. Now the goal is still to be at these hundreds of dollars per month in dividends. Like I remember my goal was in 2022 to be at $300 a month in dividends. It's March right now, and I'm nowhere near close to that, you know, but ending up this year, I can make some of that up because we got, what's that, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 9 more months to go. So I can make something happen in 9 months. I don't know. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But 2023, the goal is $400 per month in dividends. 2024, the goal is $800 a month in dividends. And the beginning of 2026, the goal is $1,600 a month in dividends. Now, the overall goal in the grand scheme of things is $5,000 a month in dividends. I know as of me making this now, when I look back at this in the future, and I'll be like, wow, $1,600 a month in dividends. Man, back then that was so crazy, but I'm crushing it now. I'm at $5,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's the term of like when you hit your goal and then you look back when you made it, and it's like once you get that initial celebration or euphoria out, it's like, oh, now I gotta set a bigger goal to get that same feeling, you know, get the endorphins pumping and whatnot. So I think that's how I'm gonna feel. So I'm gonna hip you all to the plan that I'm doing now and why I'm doing it. And the reason why I'm doing it is, come on, a lot of us work 9 to 5s, and I'm pretty sure an extra $100 to $1,600 per month that's coming in every single month will help some of you all, will help me, will help anybody. Money that you don't have to work for, that passive income. I know an extra $500 to $1,600 per month will help me a long way. That can go on paying the bill. That could go on to when I go out to have dinner with my family and things. That could pay for that. You know, we all have little simple things in our life that extra $500 can pay for, or even that extra $200. Let me know down in the comments, how much would it take per month residually? So we're gonna say dividends. How much would it take? How much dividends would it take per month to make an impact on your life? I'm not saying that you got to retire off this. I'm not saying that this is the beginning or end all, but I'm just saying how much per month that you know that's coming in every single month, like clockwork. How much per month would it take to make an impact on your life? Rather if it's your car note, $250, so a $250 dividend will impact your life. Or your mortgage, $2,000, so that extra $500 per month dividend will bring your mortgage down $500. Or your daycare expenses. You know, some things in your life that can be taken off your hand if you had that extra income coming in. Let me know your number down below. All right, so let's get at it. All right, so if you all remember my other video, hope I can link it right here somewhere. If you all remember my other video, it was saying that I wanted to have 30 companies, and I wanted each company paying me starting off $10 per month in dividend. That's $100. So, and then every year I just double that. So first year, $10 a month in dividends. Next year, $20 a month in dividends. The year after that, $30 a month in dividends. So you do all that and you multiply it times the amount of companies you have. So that's all good, well and good. But what I did now is I just shrunk the amount of companies per month. You know, because I might still get to 30, but I think I'm gonna focus on 12 right now. So what I'm doing is I want 4 companies. Well, dividend reinvestment plan. Each one of these are quarters. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. They are 4 quarters in the stock market. So the first quarter, we got January, February, March. Second quarter, we have April, May, June. Third quarter, have July, August, September. Fourth quarter, we have October, November, December. Since though I'm starting my investment account back over at 0, this whole first quarter is just about gone. So now I got to focus on the second, third, and fourth quarter of getting my dividends up. So I missed all these dividends that got paid out right here. But so what I'm aiming to do, I'm aiming to have 4 companies that will be paying me in January, 4 companies that will be paying me in February, 4 companies that will be paying me in March. So each one of these months, 4 companies will pay me. Now, companies that pay quarterly, they will pay you, the same company will pay you in January, April, July, October. Just as well as the same company pay you February, May, August, November, March, June, September, December. So really, in actuality, I can only have 12 companies because each one of them will pay me next month, next quarter. So that's where the drip come in at, the dividend reinvestment plan. Because when they pay me their dividend, me personally, I'm not going to take the money. What I'm going to say is you all keep the money and reinvest it back into your company because I want more ownership than I had last quarter. And the reason why I'm doing that is because every time they pay me, it will be higher than the last time they pay me. So every time it'll be just a little bit more higher, and then it gets the snowball rolling. So therefore, moving forward, the more and more money I put in, the greater impact it'll have, because then now, not only am I putting money into my account, the companies are putting money into my account. So that's where we end up right here. I have 4 companies times 3 months equals 12. So that's 12. See, 4, 8, 12. That's 12 companies. So it's going to be 4 companies times 3 months. 1 company, 2 company, 3 companies. So it's 4, 8, 12. And then it's going to pay first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Now, each of the companies, which is 4 companies per month, I need each company to pay me $25. $25 times 4 equals $100. So that means $100 in January because I had 4 companies pay me in January. So that's 4 times 25. That's 100. February going to be the same thing. It's going to be 4 times 25. That's 100. March will be the same thing. That's 4 times 25. That's $100. So just by doing that, I will average $100 per month in dividends. But what I am not going to do is take my dividends out and use my money. What I'm going to do is leave it in there, let the dividend reinvestment plan take its course. So when the company was going to pay me out that $25, I say, no, company, you keep the money, just give me more stock. So the next time you pay me, it will be more than $25. And so that's the plan that I'm doing here now. So I just want to increase all of these. So I'm gonna just focus on just 3 payouts from 4 companies per month. And why I chose 4 personally, because it's average like 4 weeks in a month. So it's like receiving a payout every Monday. That's why I chose 4. So, and if, like I said, if I could do $25 per, that's $100 per month, then I'll just raise that. So now instead of me trying to get $25 in dividends per company, now I raise it to $30, or I raise it to another $25, which will be $50. So then now I'm at $200 per month in dividends. And put it in perspective. If I can get $25 in a dividend payout for a company, it shouldn't be that hard for me to get another $25, which would be $50. So now I'll have 4 companies paying me $50 per payout. So, and I just want to just keep going on that until I hit my goal. Hopefully this year I can hit the $300 a month mark, and then I can hit the overall goal of $1,600 per month, and then from there the ultimate goal of $5,000 per month. So every month beginning here on out, so the first one will be January, February, March, April. I'll give you all the update in April. Every month I'm gonna try to give you all the update video to let you know where I'm at in my dividends, let you know how much I made, let you know how much it grew, and just keep you all informed. So thank you, family. Thank you for stopping through, and always remember, think rich.